Yes, let's try nice street food in Ibadan. So today we are trying the Suya man in my area, which has all kind of meat, including gizzard, chicken, goat meat, normal meat, chicken neck. There was even a guy that was asking him if he has 544, which is dog. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button. So this one is meat, Abby?
Yeah. That one is 300.
This is liver now, Abby?
No, this is gizzard.
This is gizzard. Oh.
Yeah, gizzard.
Gizzard 500.
500. Oh, yeah, as well. See how nice it is. That goat meat. It does not. How much is goat meat?
500. Chicken.
Chicken, yes, chicken. Oh, how much is chicken?
1.5.
2. And we'll buy meat, normal meat. So. That was Gasta. Are you here to see it? Yeah, what do you say is the difference?
Normal meat.
Normal meat.
Why never put granite pepper?
Okay, this one has granite pepper. This one. Are you allergic to granite? We'll buy that one.
Yes. Granite will become brown now.
So this one, they have not had, this normal meat, like normal beef, they have not had granite pepper to it. But this one, they have had granite to it. So if you're allergic to granite, always ask your Suya man, your Suya vendor, if there's granite or not. And if there's no granite, buy the one that there is no granite. I think they always have the two choice. Yeah, so we are going for the one with the granite because I'm not allergic to granite, and that means you're not allergic to granite. So I've been cooking for like 2 minutes now, and this is stage. We have is there granite inside this gizzard? Is there granite inside this one?
No, never put. Like granite oil.
Okay.
You know the food granite oil.
Yeah. Come help us to add this one. The 500 naira one, I mean. So, big one is big, oh. Are you sure? I was thinking that this one. Oh yeah. Add that one. Yeah. See how nice they look. Okay. Is the gizzard ready? It's not ready.
No. You know, see that pressure on now I cook and welcome. Good night.
Adding oil. Little oil, please. Oh, thanks. Vegetable oil, not let it burn, Abby. It should not burn, Abby.
I will not burn.
So you put it back on fire. Why are you slicing it like that?
I'll make down inside.
Oh, okay.
Let it dry well. Nothing I give that, that is fine.
It's going to be thick inside. But have you put this one on fire before?
Yes.
So now just to warm it.
That's why I know put them away on fire well. Wetin na my friend too. I get friend when I'm
Eh. So how long will it take now?
no go take time. Like 5 minutes. I want me do the pizza when I'm.
How are you coping with the smoke? It's really much. Oh, what's that?
Now tomato ketchup, you need
Oh,
that.
ketchup. Ah, of course, Adam, ketchup. I don't know say the Adam. Thank you. Yeah, it's nice. She's adding tomato ketchup. So you see, I don't know they add tomato ketchup to Suya. But I guess his own style is different and unique. And sorry, can I see the chickens that are? I just want to see them. Okay, 1.5, and that's really nice. That's really nice. And the gizzard, okay. Oh, this is goat meat. Oh, okay, this is nice. And then the gizzard. This is gizzard. Yeah. 500. The goat meat is also 500.
Yeah, I will take one.
The goat meat, eh? Okay, the goat meat too is 500, Abby. Yeah, that's nice.
You want this cabbage?
Anyhow, it's fine. Thank you.
Onion go?
Yes, please. Right on you. Sorry, I want to try before you remove it from the stick. See how it's ready now. Okay. I need to remain one on the stick. I'll try it.
Like this?
I don't want to eat it with this stick. Thank you. Goat meat. Thank you.
You go pack this?
Yeah, pork and together. What's for me? Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So I'm trying this. Yeah, this is the gizzard. Okay, this is the gizzard. I asked him to leave little for me, so I'll try it. So let's try this. Oh, it's hard. I can't even bite it off the teeth. How was it?
Not bad.
But I feel like the seasoning did not really enter.
Yeah.
Maybe because he just did it. It's not like the Suya.
Over for a long while.
Yeah, it just
Also,
this is the first time.
It's just the surface, like
Yeah, like
when you bite it, yeah, the outer taste is nice, but in it, it's still just like normal
Yeah,
meat.
normal meat. I guess it's not marinated yet enough. So this is nice, guys. You have to try this. Okay, I'm not going to lie. This is very nice. This is very nice.
I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry. Now I drop my food in peace, so I beg. Whether you guys don't know, I don't know.
That means very hungry. He said he's starving.
What's for dinner? This one is not for dinner. This one is wash, appetizer.
Let's eat beans. For me, we'll make Tom Brown.
Eh?
Beans or Tom Brown?
How you go take Tom Brown sleep? You won't die.
Voila, we can be fun too. Let's go in. I'll try for you. This is goat meat. The last one is giving us.
today is strong small.
It makes sense.
You want me to talk me?
Let us pack that one.
Okay. Where is the...
No.